I'm making the city girls version of those beautiful Ikarian pitarakia, what I like to call the longevity greens pies. This is my leek and scallion. So this is starting to cook down. It adds a certain sweetness. All right, this is ready. Just mix this up. One more strip on top. And this is really like rolling up a spring roll. And then it's kind of like, if you've ever folded a flag, it's exactly the same technique. You're making right angles. They look great. So crisp and golden. See how flaky that fillo is? Wow, look at that. If I could wrap springtime on Ikaria, this is exactly what it would taste like.